lateral and posterior group. Anterior group, free muscle. Musculus tibialis anterior. So tibia, musculus tibialis anterior. Start from lateral condyle of tibia, and go to the medial border. On the medial border, so this is medial border, connect to os cuneiforme mediale and first metatarsal bone. So this is foot, left foot, this is medial side. If point of attachment here, we can extension, sometimes supination, and sometimes adduction. If point of attachment here, we can extension, both abduction and pronation. Okay? So point of attachment to the medial border. Function, extension and supination, foot in foot joint. Tibialis anterior. Next, musculus extensor digitorum longus. Musculus extensor digitorum longus. Start from lateral condyle of tibia and fibula. Go to the fingers. So, in common, point of attachment, not in medial border, in lateral, here. So, function, extension and pronation, foot in foot joint. And second function, a little extension of fingers. Main function in foot joint. Next, musculus extensor hallucis longus. Musculus extensor hallucis longus. So, pollicis, hallucis. Start from fibula. Go in very oblique direction to the medial border of foot. Because of this medial border of foot, point of attachment to the medial border. Function, extension, a little, adduction and supination, foot and foot joint, and also extension toe. This is anterior group. Next, lateral group. On lateral group you have two muscles, musculus peroneus longus, peroneus brevis. Peroneus longus start from head of fibula and upper third of fibula. Longus start from head of fibula and upper third of fibula. And brevis start from second third of fibula. Both muscles has the same function. Both muscles go to the lateral malleolus, go behind lateral malleolus, and go to the lateral border. What we have on the lateral border? So this is medial, this is lateral border. Go to the lateral border. Longus, peroneus longus, go to the os cuneiforme mediale and first metatarsal bone, like tibialis anterior, but inferior surface. And peroneus brevis go to the fifth metatarsal bone. Function. So this is lateral surface. Do you remember lateral malleolus? These two muscles go behind lateral malleolus. Because behind it pulls like this, not flexion, not extension, not direct. Behind malleolus, this is flexion of foot. And because pulls in this, so function, flexion, abduction, and pronation, foot in foot joint. Okay? So this is lateral group, same function. And posterior group. Posterior group we have superficial and deep layer. Superficial, musculus triceps surae. So this is lower leg, in Latin surae or crus. So this is musculus triceps surae. Consists of two muscles. First, musculus gastrocnemius and musculus soleus. Musculus gastrocnemius start from facies popliteae by two head. So triceps surae means three head. So two head from facies popliteae above condyles, medial and lateral. Gastrocnemius, and go to the common tendon. And musculus soleus start from posterior surface of tibia. On tibia we have linea musculis soleus, posterior surface. Even it start from fibula, but if you said only tibia, it's okay. And go to the common tendon. Gastrocnemius and soleus common tendon. Also we have musculus plantaris. Go to the common tendon. Start from posterior surface of femur above lateral condyle. One head above lateral condyle. And go to the common tendon. This is derivative muscle, so we do not say about motor function. So, musculus triceps surae, function, point of attachment to the calcaneus. Okay? So, to the calcaneus, pull like this. This is flexion, yes? So, if you use only this muscle, you can do flexion, only flexion, separated. But, if you take calcaneus with head and pulls, you will see that your foot move like this. Yes? Because very complicated structure of joint. So, function of this muscle, surae. Flexion, adduction and supination. Foot in foot joint. Next. Deep layer. If you remember muscles of anterior group, you remember deep layer. Musculus tibialis anterior, musculus tibialis posterior. Musculus extensor hallucis longus, musculus flexor hallucis longus. Musculus extensor digitorum longus, musculus flexor digitorum longus. So, musculus flexor digitorum longus start from tibia, posterior surface,